Hello, PC Technician here, and today we are creating a partition on the hard drive. First, go down to the left hand corner, right click, hit Disk Manager, or click Disk Manager. This Disk Manager window will pop open, and you will see the disk drives that you have. It will show it in gigabytes, so if you have a terabyte hard drive like I do, it will come up like that, around 900 gigabytes depending on how much you used. And the other disk here, disk E, the new volume disk, uh, which is I think a 3 terabyte hard drive. So yeah, you can create whichever one you want. You can just right click, shrink volume, and then it come up, enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. You'll have to actually enter the amount of megabytes you want. So if you want like 10 gigabytes, you gotta figure out how much that is in megabytes. So then you go up here and just go to Google for this. So it equals 100,000 megabytes. So we're going to take that and we'll put it in here. Hit shrink. You've now created the unallocated section of the partition. Hit right click and hit new simple volume. And the new simple volume window will pop open. You hit next. Simple volume size in megabytes. I just leave it like that. And you can change it, I think, if you want. But I think that's the maximum you can have. And you can click next. Assign the following drive letter. You can actually change the following the drive letter. You just gotta see which ones you want. I'm gonna type P. How about P? Let me just type it here. Letter drive P. That's the new one we're creating. Hit next. File format. Most of this is all default, so you just have to click next again. And then you hit finish. And now you've got another partition on your hard drive. What the partition does, it allows it to act almost as if it is another disk drive. As you can see, it popped up new volume. New volume P, which is right here. It shows up as a empty folder, but it's actually almost like a disk drive, or like not a disk drive, but a hard drive. As you can see, we created it from our new volume E. Alright, so that's what it can do. You can use it for like as regular hard drives, so you can put folders and stuff inside of it. Almost like another hard drive. Just a separate one. Put a folder. Hey! We're going to delete that. Now to get rid of it, delete volume. You hit yes. Now you're going to go over here. You're going to extend volume. Hit next. And then that's going to be the space you allocated that you have unallocated. So then you're just going to hit next again. Unallocated is right here, meaning that it does not actually have any physical space on it. You're going to hit next. You're going to hit finish. And it just go back right to the other disk drive. Or not the disk drive, the hard drive. I don't know why I keep mixing them up. So that's basically how to add and remove a partition. You can use a partition for multiple things. If you want, you need separate, almost like a separate drive for like another operating system. If you want to dual boot two OS or two operating systems on your computer, you can use a partition to separate the two. You can also use it to separate files and videos, stuff like that.